Good morning, guys. Good morning, mga langga. It's our first morning here at the campsite for this camping weekend. So, guys, ito yung CR, loob ng CR dito. Malinis siya. Kita niyo. Ayan. So, tapos may mga cubicle. Tapos may shower. May 2 shower room there. Nakita ko yung shower room. Ito yung shower room. Ayan. Tapos yung isa, ayan. So, dalawa siya. Ayan. Tcharam! Pagkagaling ko kanina ng CR, miga ako na doon kami ng TV ni Jonathan. Kaso, naiihi daw ngayon si Jonathan, so we are going outside para pumunta sa CR, and then I'm gonna make breakfast kasi nagugutom na yung aking boss. Yeah, my boss is hungry, so I'm gonna make breakfast for him. But I'm gonna take Jonathan to the restroom first. Come on, nak. Ayan ang aking Junakis. You gotta look both sides, your left and your right. As in literally across lang ng camper namin yung restroom. So lapit. Hmm? In the boys' room?
Yeah. Yeah.
But I can't get into the boys' room.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Because I'm a woman. I should be in a woman's room.
Well, you put me in that room.
Okay, I'll go with you in the girls' room. Ayaw na ni Jonathan pumasok sa girls' room. Okay lang siya magpunta sa men's room basta walang tao. Kasi ayoko siyang pumuntang mag-isa sa men's room na may iba ring mga tao. Siyempre, hindi mo masabi. Diba? Mahirap na. So, andun kasi may yung women's room. Ito yung men's room. So, dito lang ako nag-aantay. Wala namang ibang, sinilip ko muna kung may ibang tao sa loob. Wala naman. So, okay lang. Ito na yung aking big boy. My big boy went to the
Next time, when we
As long as nobody is there, I can let you go in there by yourself. Okay? I don't want there's another people in there. And then you don't have anyone but you. Okay?
if there's somebody in there, I have to go in the girls' room.
Yes, that's
And
right.
I'm afraid of the other girls because I see one girl.
Tell Daddy.
What?
Tell Daddy you're a big boy. You went to the men's room by yourself. Nobody is in there. Mommy went and checked in. I'm gonna make breakfast now. You kitten?
Dad, guess what?
What?
I went in the pile by myself.
You did. Good job.
Hi mga langga. Maliligo na sana ako kaso nagyaya si Jonathan na maglaro ng frisbee sa daddy niya. So, andito sila ngayon sa field and I'm taking Missy so the two of them can play. There is Daddy and Jonathan. Jonathan has been asking Greg, good job, Daddy. Jonathan has been asking Daddy to play catch the ball and frisbee. So They're playing right now, and Jonathan is having so much fun. He loves doing that. He loves being outside.
Oh boy, that might be a while. Come on, get it.
When you throw it easy, so Daddy can catch it too.
Not good. Stuck in blood.
Look at my big boy.
Run after it, boy.
You gotta run and try and catch it.
That's 2 points.
2 points.
2.5, actually.
Grabe, ang losyong pa ng beauty ko. Hindi pa ako nakakapaghilamos, guys. Alas 11 na. So, we chill out this morning. Tapos ngayon naman si Jonathan nagyayang maglaro. So, ayan. Kanina pa sila naglalaro. Kanina frisbee nilalaro nila. Ngayon naman yung bola. Parang soccer, pero hindi talaga soccer. Pero kung aning-aning ganun. Nainitan na si Jonathan, kaya pinalitan ko ng although malamig, kaya lang kasi naglalaro. So, pinalitan ko siya ng short sleeve. Tapos si Daddy tinanggal niya yung sweater niya. Tapos na yata sila. Kanina pa kasi yan sila eh. Siguro maliligo na rin ako. Sama ko si Missy. We are doing some walking. And now after they play, Jonathan says he's craving for ice cream. I know it's a little colder, but they've been playing, so they both kind of hot. They've been sweating, but I got Jonathan's long sleeve just in case he gets cold. But right now he says he's hot because they've been playing frisbee and bowls, soccer. Since this time we didn't bring the golf cart, so we're just going to walk going to the ice cream shop. Which is good because actually it's not far. All you got to do is from our camper, right where the white truck, that is white truck right there. And you just walk straight up to the end of that road, and that's where the ice cream shop. You just walk straight. So it's really close, actually good for a walk, especially this kind of a weather. Yeah, they're Missy and Johnny and Daddy. Such a beautiful day. We are headed to ice cream shop. Kasi nagyaya si Jonathan mag-ice cream after nilang maglaro. So, and that's the tennis court.
Watch out.
I'll be fine. Yung asawa ko. Ito yung swimming pool. Actually, dalawa yan. Yung isa doon. Kaso tinakpan na nila ngayon kasi malamig. Para walang mag-swimming. Pati yun pa oh. Dito pang kids, teenager. Doon naman pang adults, malalim. It's actually a beautiful day. They have a tennis over there. Tennis court. And this is a mini golf. First time namin actually naglakad papunta ng ice cream house. Kasi 'di ba, we've been here third time na namin dito. So, lagi kami pumupunta rito, dala namin yung golf cart. Pero ngayon hindi kami nagdala ng golf cart. Kasi hindi naman mainit maglakad. So, we decided na wag nang dalhin yung golf cart. Instead, maglakad-lakad na lang. Hindi naman kasi malalayo yung mga So, ayan. Ayan ang ice cream house. And we got Missy. So, come on, Missy. And Missy have a pop cup too.
She's eating Nello just like you.
I like vanilla. It's my.
Dog have ice cream
I
too.
don't like chocolate anymore.
And that's Jonathan. Mine is coffee. Jonathan is vanilla. And Daddy is
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
chocolate chip cookie dough.
Mine is chocolate chip.
Now yours is vanilla.
Chocolate chip.
Vanilla. And Missy is tearing it apart.
She's tearing it up.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, you know this house used to be a playground.
Oh yeah? Used to be a playground?
Missy. Missy. Missy, you gotta cool down.
She's gonna get a brain freeze.
Let's go and freeze, then come back again.
Is it good?